In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a design with a transparent background and how easily you can do that. And this is going to involve using digital paper. Now, the only thing about digital paper is that in iPicky, you cannot take a digital paper and put it directly on a transparent background, because if you do that, it's just going to pick up the box, of the digital paper. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Also, if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, Etsy Passive Income, make sure to join and answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. So the first thing we're going to do right now is we're going to type our text. And I'm just going to make a simple design here, nothing fancy. If I did in-depth long design videos, it would be a really long video. So I'm just going to do something simple. Spring is here. Okay, and then I'm going to change my font. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so right here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with some digital glitter paper. And then you just go here and you click lighten, and then it changes that to the glitter paper. And I'll blow this up just so you can see that that is glitter paper and it is sparkly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and export this to the editor, and I'm going to crop it down just so we don't have so much to take out. And this is only if you are using a digital paper to cover up text or a shape or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click apply, and I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. Okay, so now we're going to hop over here to lunapic.com, and I'm going to go over here to my desktop, and I'm going to upload this image right here. And with one click of a button, it takes out the background except for this here. Let's go to the Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to save as a PNG. And then we'll just go up here, save as, and then we're just going to make sure that we save this in the transparent background. Okay. And then now we can close out of this, and I'm going to hop back over here to Lunapic, and we're going to click over here on our designer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make a design. And this isn't going to be anything spectacular. I'm just trying to show you exactly how you can do this and eliminate some steps along the way. So sometimes when we have light and white colored items, if we went to Lunapic, it's going to take out that white and light colors as well. So we don't want that. And for doing something like this, Lunapic is really good if your item is somewhat dark of some sort, but I've noticed with white, light pink, and yellows, it will take that out as well. So we don't want that. So right here, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click over here on background, and you're going to fade this all the way to 100%. And is what that does is that is creating from the start, it is creating a transparent background right from the start for us to create our image. Okay, so now we're going to go over here, and this is what I wanted to show you what not to do. So if you did save this with digital paper over the top of that, this is how it would save if you did everything directly here in iPicky. That's why I don't like that. So there is a workaround with everything. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the transparent background of our spring. And we're going to pull this over here, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Like I said, nothing spectacular of a design, just something to show you exactly how you can do this for your larger designs. And then you can just kind of play around with this. And then I'm going to duplicate this design. And when you hit duplicate, you can't see that that is duplicated until you go to move this. And like I said, this is nothing fancy at all. I'm just showing you how to create this directly on a transparent background. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to save this, and what you want to do right here is make sure that you save this as the PNG. Don't select the JPEG. So we want to make sure it is a PNG, and we're going to save this. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and return back to iPicky, and I'm going to make a template with just sort of a light color, and then we're going to pull that design over, and then I'm going to show you how it actually will work. So we can go ahead and discard this image because we already have it saved. So I'm going to go ahead and click New. And here we have, oh, hang on a minute. We're going to make it a color. So we're going to pick a color. Okay, so here we have a color, and now I'm going to upload the transparent background that we just created. And when you pull this over here, everything is going to pop. And that is how you do that. If you do have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below, but you're probably better off to get your questions answered if you join my Facebook group, because I'm not always available to answer everybody's questions whenever they need them, directly, or whatever. So I highly encourage you to join my group. There's lots of helpful people there that have been with me since day one, and everyone, it's a very active group. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, I know this design is nothing spectacular. I just wanted to show you how to create it on a transparent background and how we can pull it over onto something of color like this and how it does actually work. So thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.